Hello guys, I am back in another video. I have a new application about TRX mining websites. You want to earn money by TRX mining website, so you can see in this application the mobile number and password, security password. You want to register first in this application. First fill your mobile number, so then you put your password and security password need to already attach here. And you can see in this application you need to attach your invitation code. You have see my invitation code in this application. I have already a account, just I am going to open my account. So you can see the welcome to Tron, 100% bonus first deposit and 1000 TRX and get the 2020 and withdrawal limit every day. And you can see the all information, and you can see refer, and you can earn the first level 8%, second level 3%, and third level you earn 2% money in this application. Total balance is 50 TRX in this app. And you can see withdrawal, deposit, share, team account, basic account, and promotion account. We are joined be 10 million use you defeat technology that all users get the most TRX renew in this application platform that display. And you can see they require earn a membership in this application. And about us cloud mining application, cost effective mining Bitcoin TRX applications, and the global partners Hubi, Eco China, and Coin Eco, and Binance, DeFi Box, Basecoin, and Token Pocket in this application. Okay, I am going to, so you can see in this application trading is 8% mining. DeFi technology is using 8%, and your money is submitted in after 24 hours. Okay, and you can see in this application from shared and investment plan. And investment plan, you can see details how to invest in this application. First plan is 100 TRX, and circle is 15 days, and limit daily interest back is 8%. And you can see also in this application 9% TRX, and need to 100% TRX in the application deposit. And you can see the most profitable TRX in this application, and TRX you have. So you have invest in this application and earn a lot of money by TRX money websites. Okay, first I will tell you how to deposit in this application. Need to basic discharge deposit in this app. First I will copy the TRX address. Okay, I'm going to my balance wallet. You can see my balance wallet amount is something TRX, and you can see the my amount is 0.10 TRX. Okay, all amount I'm going to deposit in this application. Tap to 100% and click on the withdrawal. You can say deposit is successful in this application. I am going to show guys. You can say my the account is withdrawal is limited at basic account, and you can see the my deposit with daily withdrawal limit is 1.77 TRX daily limit. Okay, I am just going to withdraw the money in this application, and I want to withdraw the money and select the limit, and you fill your password. Okay, and you can fill your password.